Hi, I'm Sari Katz, your skin specialist with the BeYouTiful segment on A Moment of Zen. Today I want to talk to you guys about a full face rejuvenation. No, I don't mean a full facelift. I mean the non-surgical approach to aging of the face using dermal fillers. So how do we age over time? Well, our bone resorbs, our fat pads in our face both shrink and descend, our tissues lose elasticity, our skin gets stretched out and loses collagen. And overall, what we experience is sagging and descent of the tissues with gravity. So how do we restore that? Well, if we look at a three-dimensional approach to the face, we look at areas that we don't normally address with dermal fillers. Traditionally, we've addressed cheeks and under eyes and folds around the mouth and of course lips. But areas often forgotten about are the temples and the hollows underneath our cheekbones in front of our ears that overall, with a lack of volume, will lead to things hanging forward and downward towards our mouth, or those dreadful areas we call jowls. So in order to manipulate the tissues to restore that volume, we'll use dermal fillers to restore the outskirts of the face first and work our way inward. This is a more three-dimensional pan-facial, what we call full rejuvenation of the face. So in doing so, we normally apply a topical numbing cream to the face and allow the numbing cream to set in for a little to take the edge off. And then we administer the fillers through what we call a cannula, which is like a needle without a point or a straw, or needles themselves, to get the gel in just the right depth and location that we're looking for it to fill. After the procedure is done, we expect a little bit of soreness, swelling, bruising, but the downtime usually only lasts about a week or so, depending on how quickly you heal. Overall, you would expect the cost to be around $3,000 to $6,000 in New York City, with an average cost of about $1,000 a syringe, maybe $800 to $1,000. And that's pretty much average for New York City or the tri-state area. But if you think about it, you're avoiding surgical intervention. So no cutting, no sewing, just a little manipulation and a little needle poke. And that is a full face rejuvenation. Now we can expect this to last about a year to 2 years, but at the 8-month mark, people like to come back in and have little bits and areas readdressed with not necessarily the full face rejuvenation, but just some tweaking. And that is how we restore and maintain, in addition to a lot of our other non-invasive procedures like lasers, fillers, microneedling, radio frequency. That is how we maintain the different aspects and layers of the face to help combat the aging process. So know before you go, but this is an option that is non-surgical, and I'm happy to keep you in the know here on A Moment of Zen. Thank you so much. Have a great day.